This is a network lock Cricket Dream 5G. Today I am using RDPowerPlus to unlock this device. What you want to do is select Cricket and select Cricket Dream 5G. As you can see, this phone is network locked. I'm going to go ahead and select unlock. What you want to do, you want to turn off your device. After turning off your device, hold down volume up and volume down at the same time, then insert your cable. As you can see, the software identifies the device. You're going to disconnect your cable and press OK. You're going to hold down volume up and volume down and insert cable again. This unlock will take 4 credits. Read the instructions on screen. Disconnect your cable. Turn on your device and turn it off. What you can do, hold down the volume down and power button at the same time to turn on your device. Volume down and power button. Now your device is powering on. You're going to turn off your device again. Select OK. Volume up and down. Insert cable. So your software is completing the last step. So as you can see, unlock completed successfully. So you're going to go ahead and turn on your device. As you can see, your Cricket device is running a digital SIM card. Your phone is fully unlocked. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You can download this software from samuelcellular.com